Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious stew peas using some smoked turkey neck. So without further hesitation guys, well, let's get started. So here I have my smoked turkey neck and I'm just going to go ahead and clean this up a bit. I'm just going to remove the excess skin on it. Of course you could leave it on if you like, but I don't. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel away that little extra piece that accumulated from the meat being smoked. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and cut this into smaller pieces of camera. And of course you could use whatever meat you want for your stew peas, your salted beef, your pigtail, whatever you like. So here I went and cut these into smaller pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and wash this with some vinegar. You could use some lemon juice as well too. And I'm going to go ahead and wash this thoroughly. Now that my meat is nice and clean, it's time for cooking. So here I have a few pieces of oxtail that I have, so I added to it. Of course, as I said, you could use whatever protein you like in your meat. So here I have some peas and some garlic. Now in Jamaica, the dish is called stewed peas, but we use red kidney beans. So guys, that's the name of the dish and that's what I'll be using. So here I add my meat and my peas to my pot, pour some boiling water over it, and I'm going to allow this to cook until the peas is nice and tender and the meat is tender as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my spinners. So to some flour, I'll add in some salt, and I'm going to add some water gradually until I form a firm dough. There's no right or wrong way to make dumpling. You're just going to go ahead and add water in small batches until you achieve the consistency and texture that you're looking for. And to me, stew peas is not stew peas without some little spinners. So this has been cooking for about 40 to 50 minutes, and now my peas is nice and tender. I'm just going to go ahead and continue on with the next step. I'm going to add my spinners and season up my pot. Then I'm going to allow this to cook some more for an additional 20 minutes and allow everything to infuse. So here I have some green seasoning, all-purpose blend, some scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and coconut milk. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my spinners. Of course, this part is totally optional, but as I mentioned before, stew peas is not stew peas without spinners. Now you could make this however big or small you like them, or however you want to have them in your stew peas. So I'm just going to go ahead and spin these in. Now I'm going to go ahead and season this up. So I'm going to go in with some thyme, my green seasoning. I will leave a link on how to make that, and my own all-purpose blend. Now you don't want to add too much seasoning because the smoked turkey neck is a bit salty, so you want to add in small batches and taste to your liking. I add my coconut milk, and I'm going to add my scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'm going to give this a mix, taste and adjust to your liking. After adding that much seasoning, mine was perfect, and of course you can bake your own all-purpose blend. You don't have to use the same seasoning that I use, just use your favorite all-purpose blend, and I will leave a recipe down below so you could go ahead and check it out. And this has been cooking for about 20 more minutes, and this is what it looks like. Now it might look a little watery, but as it cooks some more and cools down, it's going to thicken up a bit. So I'm just going to allow this to cook for another 5 minutes, and it's basically done. Now this is what it's looking like. My stew peas is nice and ready. If you allow this to go any further, once it's cool, it is going to be too thick and it won't be pourable. But anyhow, you allow it to reduce to your liking. And remember guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it, subscribe for more awesome content like this one, and of course leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about this recipe and if you have ever tried making stew peas with smoked turkey neck. As you know, mostly stew peas is served with a side of white rice, but of course feel free to use any other side that you like. And let me tell you guys, this was amazing. And thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day. Bye bye.